Hey guys, we know you hate video jam or image delay when you're playing console games. What causes all this bad experience? There are a lot of reasons. It could be your TV or gaming monitor that doesn't support 4K 120Hz, or you just need a brand new HDMI 2.1 cable to replace your old HDMI 2.0 cable. Today we will look at this Huaham 8K fiber HDMI cable. The cable comes with a simple package with a manual in it from the brand Huaham Amazon store page. The cable is oriented as a price-friendly cable. As a fiber HDMI cable, it sells only around $10 for 6 feet. It seems that the brand plans to help common users to replace their copper HDMI cables with the latest fiber HDMI cables. It has two plastic housing connectors. Compared with the zinc alloy connector, it's light and simple, but lack of touch of sense. I guess someone may like it because it's lightweighted, but more guys like metal connectors. However, you can't have some great HDMI cable with zinc alloy connect for such a price. As a fiber HDMI cable, it's one-way directional, which means you have to insert the cable and correctly. Unlike other fiber HDMI cables, this Huaham fiber HDMI cable is designed with two color connectors. White end connectors for monitor, projector, and a TV. Black end connector is for PS5, Xbox, Blu-ray player, home theater, and a laptop. Else is a user-friendly design. From the product description, this Huaham fiber HDMI cable supports 8K 60 Hz, 4K 120 Hz, refresh rates, and the latest HDMI 2.1 gaming features like VRR, ARM, QFT, QMS. Here, I'll hands on all these features in PS5 to see if it works. It's a great fiber HDMI cable for such a price. Basically, you can't find another brand which can provide such a price-friendly fiber HDMI cable. If you don't mind, it's all around plastic material and focus on its features. It can be the choice on your list.